Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today with another how to style one long maxi dress 5 different ways. So this is a long maxi dress. I also purchased this maxi dress at the thrift store for 25 cents. And one tip, if you're gonna wear a maxi dress and you need a bra with it, try to wear a bra that's the same color, so that way the thin strap will just look like it'll blend in with your bra strap. So I'm going to turn around and show you guys how this maxi dress looks. As you can see, it's long, it's to the floor, it's flowing. So this would be the first way that you could wear this maxi dress. And again, because I don't know who is watching, if you watch the other previous videos, if you have a dress that is too long for you, or you want to give it a different look, you could take one of the hair ties, and depending on how far up you want the tie to go, you can tie that and let it come down. Now, if you want it more to the front, you could put it to the front. If you want it to the side, if you want two to the side, and you want it to drape like that, then you can do two to each side. So that would be the second way that you can style this dress, or wear this dress with the little tie right there. So we're going to let this go back down, and that's number 2 that way. So I'm going to show you how I can change this look. Sweaters and jackets would be a number 1 way for you to give your like little casual dresses. You can take them to a whole different level just with a sweater, a jacket, or a shirt. Layering is like your best friend. I'm going to turn around. I'm not going to like play with this or fix the belt to make the belt come across in the front, but you can see the back of it. And again, you guys, this sweater is a sweater that I found at the thrift store for 25 cents. If you shop off season at the thrift store, you can find like some really nice items in the summertime. I found all of these winter shirts and sweaters that I really love, and I found them in the summertime, and I swooped them up for 25 cents. And this maxi dress is a size large, and I don't actually know who it's by. So that's style number 3. Next up, style number 4. We might end up with a couple of extra styles, y'all. Style number 4, we're going to take this. I might give y'all a bonus style. We're going to take this regular cute little shirt, and we're just going to take this and put it over our maxi dress. And now we have a totally different look. And you can wear this with some boots. You can wear this with some sandals. You can wear this with some heels. Like you could just, the shoes are really gonna, and the accessories that you wear with this, you could take this to a whole different level as well. If you want to layer, you can layer as well and put a jacket over top this. And you can end up getting multiple outfits out of this. I'm going to show you how I would take a jacket and put over this particular look and give it a whole different look and take it to a whole different level. So we're going to take this jacket with this shirt underneath. And we're going to take this to a whole different level. You can wear it with the sleeves down. Give you a close-up, let you see how that looks. You can wear it with the sleeves down, or you can fold the sleeves up. Fold them up a couple of times if you want to. I'll let you see the up versus the down. You decide. I think I actually like it up. And that gives another look. And then I'll show you how this jacket looks just by itself with this. If you want to sew a little cleavage, see. I think this is look number 5, but I have, just in case, I have a bonus look. So let's see how we have another shirt. And all of these items, you guys, except for that jacket, was 25-cent items. So you're going to take this jacket. We can make this look summery, cool, lighten it up a little bit. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which look you like better. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. And I think this is number 6. Let me know what look you like better down in the comments, and let me know what you use to accessorize your different maxi dresses. And like, if you have another type of dress, you want me another color dress, you want me to do more colors, you want me to do something more with this black maxi. I have a lot of black maxis, you guys, so I will be styling more maxis. I love black, and I see a lot of black maxis at the thrift store for 25 cents. So every time I see one, I get it. I don't care if I have more the same style of it, you know, I can wear a different maxi every single day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave lots of comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and be sure to come back for another video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Bye now.